Hi, myself Nirmit Sachin Kadam, and today I am here to tell you more about music. As we all know, nowadays a huge disease has been spread all over the world, which is corona, also known as COVID 19. So, in these days, everyone is in tension, and means being in tension in these days is not the solution and is not good for our health also. So, to be fit, we can either take medicines or can be naturally fit. So, how to be naturally fit? So, mainly we can be naturally fit by example for by listening music, and we can be naturally fit by listening music. Music is mainly the thing after we listen it we get fresh and we also get relaxed. Our mind get relaxed and new creative ideas get born in our mind. So music also plays a very big part in our life for our means handling our mood and every other thing. Whenever we listen to music, it thrills our body. Music also fits enthusiasm in our body. Music mainly have various types, but do we really listen to all types of music? The answer is no. Really no. Because there are various types of music in the whole world and we are not able to listen to that. So, mainly some of the famous music varieties in our state, Maharashtra, means kirtans or bhajans. So, today I am going to tell some short thing about one of the famous music type, which is kirtan, and means many things about kirtan and what kirtan teaches and many other things. So to tell in short about kirtan, it is means a musical form, means not a musical form, it is like speech conveyed to the public in the form of music. So kirtans are mainly means sung in temples and also on other special occasions. So now I am going to introduce you the Kirtankar, who is very famous in our state, or you can say also out of state. He is Sir Nilkantha Gokhale. You might know him. He is a Kirtankar and he has been giving his performances many years. Till now he has given many memorable performances. His kirtans are very famous not only in Maharashtra but also out of Maharashtra. Till now, he had performed 800 performances, which is not a joke because 800 performances is very big achievement. He has also performed kirtan when he was small at his school gathering, or you can say school annual function day. He has been in this field of music since so long, and he had given, as I have told, he has given many performances, but his first performance was in 1998. So you can just imagine from 1998 till this is 2020, it is I think so 21 or 22 years, and in 21 or 2 years 800 performances is means a really good achievement. His means family had been came into musical field from his forefathers. As we all know, we all have gurus for means getting taught in some part, and guru also plays a very big part in our life as they teaches us many more things. Nilkantha Gokhale's sir's first guru was from his only house, who was his grandfather, from whom he got to taught many other things. When he was child, he was learning from his grandfather, and then after he grown and means succeeded in his life of music, then he got taught from many other gurus like Sri Mahesh Kane. He is also a very nice musician. Heading towards last, I want to tell that a chair symbolizes support. How? So, chair has 4 legs. So if we take out that legs, the chair would not be there. So main message I want to give that support. It is also true in humankind, and there is also idiom that behind every successful person there is someone. This case was same with Nilkanta Gokhale sir. He got a huge support from his family members, friends, and from his like mother, father, and especially from grandfather, because he was his first guru. At last, I want to tell you that no person in this world is nothing without support. So yes, thank you for watching this video. Bye.